Good morning, boys and girls. Hope you guys are all doing well. We're doing great over here. This is just going to be actually a real quick video. Some of you may not want to watch this, but I'm getting quite a few comments. Vicki and I both comments and questions. How was our Alaska trip? And kind of seeing pictures and stuff. So we put together kind of some videos, some snapshots of our Alaska trip. And if you guys are thinking about going to Alaska, this was a perfect time of year to go. Actually, they're having a heat wave right now that we kind of was on the front end of that, but it got hotter as we left, and the difference between their hot and our hot is huge. But anyway, so if you guys don't want to see any of our Alaska stuff, you might want to skip this video. But for you, those of you that have asked, here is some video clips and some snapshots of our Alaska adventure. We had an awesome time, and I think we're going to go back next year. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great day. Thanks again for everything. We love you, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye. He is enormous. I know he's going to take off in a second. We're probably within about 40 feet of him right now. Way to Segovia, and we're going to catch some halibut on the way. There's the rest of the family. Got like
hey guys,
waterproof beavers in the water.
Beavers.
Oh god.
That's not beavers.
Oh, that's mean. They're waving. They're shocking.
What's up, brothers? How you, brother? How you, Palala? Yeah, come really close.
Look, that one. Oh, I thought that one had a baby on it. Go, feed them. No, not ever beat.
Oh yeah, that's right. They'll be hairy. Yeah, they crack the shells open with the rocks and stuff up.
Hands on the belly.
Right on the hammer.
I don't think he's very big. Oh, did he get loose?
No, he didn't get loose.
Keep going. You got that monster.
Watch, he's gonna come up and be a little tiny thing.
Oh, he's here.
Just a second. Throw it in. Grab the anchor, grab the weight. There you go, just lift it onto the boat. Throw it on the floor, that's it. Outstanding, sweetheart. Trip with it?
Yes!
Vicky got her first halibut.
Good job.
Chapin.
Okay.
Ooh, really nice.
Outstanding.
Beautiful fish, baby.
My baby.
Awesome. Great job. Beauty.
He's heavy.
There you go. Just pull up and give it a little reel at the same time when you put it down.
Yeah, but man, he don't want to move. I don't know how big this thing is. I'm afraid. I'm like scared right now. I'll just keep the pressure on. Oh boy. Oh gosh.
Now the brick has got something big
I'm
on
gonna
it.
send
I
him.
think I'm hooked onto a car. Okay?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright, gaff.
Oh yeah.
Ah, boy.
Now in the mess hall.
Just don't let him go.
No.
Nice fish. Woohoo! Great job.
Hang on to it.
Okay, I am actually recording this hunt. That looks like a decent fish.
Yeah.
You want to get them back into the water to the right if you can. Oh, that's awesome.
It doesn't want to go anywhere.
Yeah. We had flying fish.
He ain't getting away. That son of a bitch isn't going back to the water.
There he is.
Now he might not be able to find
Now
it.
he's a rockfish. Let's see that big hog. Awesome, man.
Wow.
I tell you, that looks like a freaking silver, you
They
guys.
do.
I don't think that's a humpy. It might be, but
Look at this, the spots.
yeah, it's a beautiful fish.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
It
Oh
was.
no.
These little hooks.
Check out this bear. Oh my gosh. This thing is cool. So we just spent 15-20 minutes talking to Jordan. Great kid. Super talented. Check that out. Incredible. I love it. That is one talented dude.